User interface is the driver of innovation. Remember the first time you touched a touchscreen? It was magic. You just couldn't stop swiping, amazed with the experience. Well, we've created a user interface that will make you feel that all over again. It's called Bird. It's a tiny wearable device that makes any space interactive. It's about being free. It lets you push, pull, touch, grab, and move your content from anywhere in the room. And you don't have to think about it. It knows exactly what you mean. What touch did to small screens, Bird will do to big ones. It's about being creative with the finest pixel-perfect precision. It redefines teamwork with up to 10 people collaborating on one screen. And it brings a whole new meaning to speaking in front of a crowd, because it works from up to 100 feet. But Bird doesn't only work in thin air. It can also turn any surface into a touch surface. So whatever your dream canvas is, Bird can make it happen. It's accurate, simple, and works with all the devices and software you already use. But it can also be enhanced with entirely new ideas and applications. The future is happening right now. It's time to be amazed again. Bird.